10 Best Instant Reliefs for Burping. 1. Ginger. Ginger is an effective home treatment to prevent excessive gas. 2. Peppermint. Peppermint is another natural remedy to treat burping. 3. Probiotic foods. Probiotic foods help restore the natural balance of your gut bacteria. 4. Chamomile. Another herb to treat burping is chamomile. 5. Cardamom. Cardamom increases the production of digestive juices in the stomach, thereby reducing the chance of gas formation. 6. Fennel. Fennel is a traditional remedy to relieve burping. 7. Anise seeds. Anise seeds contain several components that aid digestion and treat belching. 8. Asafoetida. Asafoetida, also known as hing, can control gas formation due to acidity, thanks to its anti-flatulent properties. 9. Holy basil. Another effective remedy for belching is holy basil. 10. Avoid gas-producing foods. All your efforts to prevent burping will be ineffective unless you avoid eating gas-producing foods.